The residents in Pine Flat Village in Tulare County say they're stuck due to flooding and they can't get out. Fox 26 reporter Sophia Lesios explains the problems they're facing with too much rain in the mountains.
It wasn't there the night you went to bed, and then you wake up and it's almost up to your house.
Flooding in Pine Flat Village in Tulare County, right next to California Hot Springs, has been unbelievable.
There is one house lower across the street. It filled up to their waist. They had to hurry and get out just with their meds.
I'm 51. My mom is in her 70s, and they've had that cabin up there. We've never seen that happen before.
71-year-old Marilyn Bailey and her husband said they barely avoided the floods because their house sits higher up on a hill than most of their neighbors.
When the water came down from the snow melting so fast, we got dumped with snow, and then this warm rain came, and it started melting, and it went over the creek and out in the road, started breaking off the road, where the cars couldn't go.
Since Thursday night, the Baileys and other people in Pine Flats Village haven't had running water.
My husband's been catching rainwater to flush the toilet and anything you might need gray water for.
Bailey says half of the residents lost power. They still have power, but don't have cell phone service. Bailey's daughter, Crystal Messick, is worried about her parents.
With the mountains coming off the edge with the water, you don't know if that mountain's going to come right down on top of their house.
Which has.
The dirt is so saturated, we lost a lot of the mountain behind our house. As I said, we have a bigger yard now with a lot of dirt in it.
The Baileys have decided to wait out the storms and offer this advice.
If you can get out, either don't come back up till it's over or stock up on groceries and water.
The Los Angeles County Fire Department Swiftwater Task Force was up in the California Hot Springs area in Pine Flat Village, setting up a rope system across the fast-flowing creek. That's to provide supplies to residents who were unable to evacuate.